look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365. I'm trying to keep it together, I swear. I just had like 10 minutes of outtakes. Okay. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where it's going to be real, authentic, and a bit weird. Like this hair, this flock of seagulls hair today. This week has been a mess. This hair, oh my gosh. Anyways, so today's topic is how to find the power of minimalism in your art. And unlike this scene behind me, typically you maybe want to think about something considerably more simple. And for me, I approach a lot of my sets and shoots and films and everything in a way that's just blank, like recording music. It's like when I was doing a lot of music recording back in the day, I would just start with like a track, like a bass track or a snare or keys, whatever it might be, but I would keep it simple, like really, really simple. And even when I did the photo shoot of Boo Boo Stewart from Twilight for the designer Kate Mesta, it was quite literally me and one flash, and we just walked across the street into like what looked like the woods, like a kind of a creepy area, and we did that. We kept it simple. The power of minimalism in art is beyond like anything that you could think of. And unlike some of the modern art of today where it's like, here's a banana duct taped to a wall and sells for like millions of dollars, or a red dot in the middle of a white wall, or a yellow dot in the middle of a black wall, or whatever it might be. That's on the extreme level, and I think that that's just kind of like blah, but keep it simple. What do you guys do to keep it simple, to find that power of minimalism in art? I'd really love to hear what it is that you guys do. So share in the comments below. If you are a new follower of this series, Raw 365, where we dive into the agile mind of David Esquire, totally subscribe, hit the bell, and get the ding dong, and be notified of all these wild and crazy videos that we're doing, because the whole bit for the title 365 is I'm committing to a year of this, one a day. It's terrifying. Anyways, we're 2:45, so let's wrap it up. Okay. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ, and thank you for joining me on another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird. And until next time, remember to stay caffeinated. I could really use a coffee right about now. Yeah, I could use coffee. All right, and I'll see you soon. That's so cheesy. Bye, guys.